Hello and welcome to today's planning briefing. It is Thursday, February 3rd. My name is Leanne and I'm doing this on behalf of the National Weather Service in Missoula, and I will take you through the next several days worth of weather and then not a whole lot of weather to talk after that. So key points. Tonight, Thursday, there will be lingering high terrain snowfall continuing for most of the mountain ranges and higher elevation roadways along the Idaho-Montana border and along the Continental Divide through at least the next weather system, which continues Friday into Saturday. There will be widespread light snowfall for valleys, which is roughly below 4,500 feet, with moderate to heavy snow at times for higher elevations for that Friday through Saturday weather system. And then after that, like I said, it's going to be pretty quiet. We've got strong high pressure developing over the Pacific Northwest, which would place western Montana and north central Idaho in northwesterly flow. And typically, whenever that happens, we stay kind of cloudy or at least showery, but this one may be dry with just some clouds. So we'll see, because the final bullet says high pressure to remain well into next week. However, will it move further inland mid to late next week? Perhaps. So the precipitation for Friday through Saturday, February 4th through February 5th. This is a graphic showing the probability of snowfall exceeding 1 inch. And I zoomed in on the higher percentage amounts. So obviously here we see the pinks and the purple colors. Those are about 70, 80, 90% of those areas receiving at least an inch of snow or more. And you can see that the chances of an inch decrease quite a bit as you go lower in elevation. So this will mainly be a mountain pass hazard. We're talking on the order of maybe up to 10 inches of snow. I'll show you the graphic in the next page here. But overall, aside from the highest peaks, we're looking at about 4 to 6 inches overall for most mountain pass roadways along the Continental Divide, north of McDonald Pass at least, and then 3 to 4 inches at Lolo Pass, 1 to 2 inches at Lost Trail Pass, and 4 to 6 inches roughly at Lookout Pass. And again, looking at the valleys, chances of an inch or even more, very, very low, very minor chances. So this will be a mountain event, if you will, and travel over mountain passes, like I mentioned earlier, will likely be the main impacts from this, aside from some fresh backcountry snow. And then high pressure, but for how long? Here's a graphic showing the mean pattern, if you will, for all the way out till Friday, February 11th, so next Friday. And you can see, I mean, it's clear as day here. The extended models basically show high pressure dominating over the British Columbia coast, down along the Pacific Northwest coast, and placing the Montana-Idaho area of the Northern Rockies right in that northwesterly flow pattern. So the real question comes, this is ending Monday, February 14th, so almost a week out, even longer. What will the high pressure area do? Will it move further inland? Will it retrograde back out into the Pacific? Here, some models do show an emphasis on it remaining firmly planted over the Pacific Northwest coast. However, some do try to weaken it and retrograde it back over the Pacific, which would open the door here in the Northern Rockies for more snow and more colder air from Canada. Again, this is so far out there. This is just kind of a pattern recognition slide. But overall, we're looking at dry conditions. Here's our weather threat matrix. We have a low impact of snow impacting north central Idaho, northwest Montana, and west central Montana during that Friday to Saturday time frame. And then it is quiet and dry with seasonable temperatures extending through at least the first half of next week. So with that being said, we hope you join us on Sunday, February 6th for that next briefing and the next weather update, and we'll see you then. Take care.